Morning everyone. This morning it's another warm day, but we're down here and we're going to start the shelter. So we'll start by putting the roof on and then go from there. Okay guys, we just stopped for lunch and now we're back down here and we're going to put the roof sheets on. Alright guys, it's pretty hot now and we're done for today. We've got the roof on and then for you guys it'll only be a second and we'll be continuing on with the siding. So we'll cut to that now.
Morning Grazers, welcome back. So we're going to quickly do a little bit more on this buck pen. It's about 30 degrees now, which is, I don't know, I'll put in Fahrenheit somewhere up there, but it's probably going to hit about 40 today. So we're going to be super quick on this and get back into the air conditioning.
Thanks for joining us, guys. We've got a little bit more to go on the goat pen, but this will be the second last video, and we'll have one more video to bring out, which will be all the finishing touches. And we've also got an idea for a goat feeder, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for joining us.